Today I'm playing Blade Ball. You might notice that I'm a bacon. It's my old cuz I have two-step verification on my main, so I will try to log in it as soon as possible. Let's go. Yasir. Boom. Lol. You might be asking, why is my hair gray? It's because it's a common mobile glitch. The bacon hat like a Nokia or something. I sped this up so you don't have to wait a year. I hope I can win. Click. Click. Let's go. I died. Let's go into duels. I join into something else. Finally, we're actually in duels. Brown needs to train his fingers.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir. 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 Yes, sir.
The number is 911. Has been called for a non-public.
I guess I got to train my fingers, not him. How did I lose to that? You know what? A man needs a 2v2.